Hi everyone. This demo is going to focus on how Netskope and Titus integration helps organizations to classify and protect sensitive data, control and govern cloud usage, and safely enable cloud apps. Sensitive data leakage is a big concern when using the cloud. Here we have a user working with what appears to be a document containing sensitive data. A simple drag and drop addresses the user's need for anytime, anywhere access to data while making it very easy to share with anyone. To address this need, Titus provides a very powerful platform that enables organizations to classify and protect sensitive data. In this example, we have a document that has been classified by Titus as confidential. Now that we have a document classified by Titus as confidential, let's leverage the Netskope platform and put a real-time policy in place to prevent risky activities type documents with this. Classification. The first step is to create a custom DLP and use a simple regular expression to identify documents with the Titus classification of confidential. The next step is to create a DLP profile containing the rule, and we will use this when we create the policy. Next, we will use Netskope Policy Engine to create a policy that leverages the DLP rule and profile we just created to prevent sensitive data leakage into the cloud. In this case, we want to prevent contact classified by Titus as confidential from being uploaded to any cloud storage accounts. For the purpose of this configuration, we will select the Titus confidential profile that we recently created. Next, we will choose Upload as the activity. Policy Engine provides a number of actions you can take. We can simply alert the admin or block the activity. We can also choose an advanced workflow such as user alert, which will allow the user to justify their actions, or quarantine, which will block the activity and quarantine the data until the activity is approved. Let's choose action as a block. By going into the Netskope logs, admin can view the detailed incident report on user activities. Here user traffic clearly specifies the traffic's hits on the Titus confidential policy. So finally, as conclusion, using Titus classification and Netskope together allows enterprises to embrace the cloud while ensuring sensitive information is not at risk. Netscope leverages the Titus file classification to enforce appropriate data protection policies before the file is uploaded to the cloud.